Hey guys, welcome. If you've got cash sitting in Venmo but need it over in PayPal, you've probably noticed there isn't a massive link accounts button, even though the same parent company owns both. But thanks to a huge update, moving money between them is easier than ever, and I'll show you how. So first guys, let's look at the absolute easiest way, which is the direct cross-app send. So if you are trying to send money to a friend who only uses PayPal, or if your own PayPal account is registered under a different phone number, you can now do this straight inside the Venmo app. So you open up Venmo, tap the Pay or Request button, and just simply type in the recipient's full phone number. Associate it with their PayPal account. As long as their privacy settings allow it, their PayPal profile will pop right up in your search results. So type in your amount, add a note, and hit send. It transfers instantly with zero platform fees for domestic personal payments. And now, what if you're trying to move money to your own PayPal account and you use the exact same phone number for both? Since you can't pay yourself directly, the best workaround is using a shared bank account as a bridge. So you go to Venmo, tap the Me tab, select your balance, and click Transfer to Bank. Move your funds out of Venmo and into your checking accounts. And once those funds clear, open up your PayPal, tap on your balance on PayPal, then tap Add Money, and select Add from Bank. Then choose that exact same checking account, enter required sum, and pull the cash straight into your PayPal wallet. So that is it. Enjoy as always guys, and thank you for watching.